Rob Perillo.
Welcome back. Well, much milder temperatures in the forecast, especially at night. And this time of year, mild air usually means fog because we have chilled air sitting just offshore. We'll explain the process of sea fog and why we're going to have foggy conditions in spots over the next couple of nights, maybe through the weekend as well. So let's take a look at the big picture as we look at the water vapor imagery. We're basically mired in a westerly or west-southwesterly flow aloft, high pressure ridge out here in the Gulf of Mexico. So all the frontal action staying well to the north of us, dipping the jet stream up here in the Rockies, producing snow in the Colorado Rockies. And you can see, again, snow up in the northeast. Trailing frontal boundary here across we'll call it the mid-Atlantic, down through portions of our part of the world, moves right into northwestern, say, Louisiana. You can see north winds north of Shreveport, but south, generally south of I-20. So we have a frontal boundary right there. Plenty of clouds, and underneath those clouds, some fog as well. And this always makes it difficult to try to forecast fog formation, especially when you got cloud deck overhead. It's hard to see it, so we have to go by some observations that we get and some cams that we see online. And dense fog advisory has been issued, including St. Mary, Iberia, and Vermilion, Cameron parishes, also lower St. Martin parish as well. That's through 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, and we may see that fog based on what I showed you earlier. We saw visibilities dropping across southwest Louisiana. That fog advisory may get extended farther to the north. And why is this happening? Well, the shelf water temperatures, coldest of the year right now, well, actually it was last week, 48 degrees in Vermilion Bay, 53 here at Calcasieu Pass, and we're getting southerly winds. They're going over 70 degrees warmer, water, and out here it's pushing 80 degrees. So you have that warmer air from the central Gulf of Mexico coming over the cooler water by the shelf water here. So you're getting condensation. The air just kind of sinks and you get that cloud formation, and that's how we get that sea fog that forms along the coastal areas and then migrates inland depending on the wind, and also overhead cloud cover as well. So that's essentially what we have going on tonight with that sea fog through tomorrow morning. Frontal boundary is going to be draped across the area over the next several days. It's going to be sitting around northern portions of Acadiana and then just kind of waffling back and forth. Biggest rain chances stay to our north. We'll see a few spotty showers tomorrow, also perhaps Friday, but maybe even a few intervals of afternoon sun. That's going to keep our temperatures pushing into the mid-70s, and much the same as we head into the weekend, with best rain chances staying north and west of us for now, 20% into the weekend as well. So taking a look at the graphics right here, here's your visibility forecast by the graph model. A lot of zeros showing up, so the model's going for fog big time through tomorrow morning, so keep that in mind for your early morning travel plans. And then thereafter, we're looking at that visibility improving during the course of the afternoon, but perhaps fog coming back in again tomorrow night into Friday morning. So here's we have the temperatures in the lower 60s for your daybreak time, right around 7 a.m. shortly after daybreak. Sunrise now at 6:40 a.m. A couple more weeks before we shift those clocks ahead. 74 the afternoon high tomorrow. We stay in the 60s again tomorrow night. Prime for fog is right in the low to mid 60s this time of year, mid 70s again for your Friday. So a milder night ahead overall. All dense fog moving inland during the course of the overnight hours. 59 the low, 74 the high tomorrow, 76 on Friday, upper 70s this weekend, and could it be the first 80-degree temperature coming on Sunday before the next front arrives early next week. That's it for weather for now. We'll be right back right after this.